Your Majesty, I, regrettably Lillian had a lover. That Duke told her to obtain the honor of the household instead of love. But on the day before her coronation as the Empress, Leyland chose love. I can't do this. Never. The Duke foresaw that Leyland would not be able to forget her lover, so he killed him in advance. Seigi, wake up! And Leyland took her own life in despair. A world without you is meaningless to me. I will now follow you.